what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So what I have for you today is, as you can see, I got some tires sitting in the back of my truck. We'll get to those in a second. So we're starting kind of a new series where we're going to be finding the most budget-friendly items that you can get for your truck or Jeep or whatever you're driving, because, you know, like a lot of you guys, we're working on a budget here. We're trying to build multiple vehicles and camera equipment and all this stuff, so we always want to find the best deals, and we're going to try and pass those deals on to you. So the tires that I have behind me is some tires that I bought from Amazon, and these are some mud terrains, and my Toyos that I have, they're at about 30% life, so it was time to get some new tires, and I wanted to get some mud terrains. Looking at prices on mud terrains, they're usually between $250, $280, $350 per tire, and that's just a ridiculous price. But the ones that I found behind me they're from Amazon, and it's $140 per tire. So decent price. The reviews look pretty good on them. So the tires themselves, I actually took the label off so I can read from it like a noob. It's a TRAC GRIP M R408. Wonderful name. So the size, I got the same exact size that I have on my Toyos. It's 285, 75, 16, and these do have low E range, so pretty thick sidewalls, which that's going to be good because, as you know, like, I'm always airing down my tires and scraping it up against rocks and do all this crazy stuff. So we're going to review these tires, we're going to abuse them, we're going to check them out at 10,000 miles, 20,000 miles, 30,000 miles, and we'll see how long they last. We'll see how they wear. You know, are they having any trouble in all the different environments? First big test is going to be Cleghorn, and we'll go from there. So they're already loaded up. We're going to get them mounted, so we'll be heading to my favorite tire spot, and then you guys will see us over there. Thanks. Here we are, Antonio's Tires. So here we are. We're at, like I said, Antonio's Tires. They're over here in Pomona, and these are the guys we always come to for any of our tire needs, you know, any of our exhaust needs, bouncing, alignments, all that stuff. So these guys always hook us up. Actually, if you watch some of the Boost Addict videos, you'll see on the side of Georgia Civic, we have an Antonio's Tires sticker. So they're kind of like a sponsor for us. I mean, not really, they're not paying us or anything, but these guys are always fun. Now, Uli, who's supposed to be meeting me, and he's gonna mount my tires and everything, he's late. So hurry the fuck up, Uli. And now we say goodbye to my Toyos. We get those Thunderers all mounted and good to go. Look at them revving my truck. Look at Antonio, man. This is good stuff. So this is the owner of Antonio's Tires right here. This is Antonio.
We're gonna eat today.
We're gonna eat today. So if you look at the logo, you know the really big, thick guy, the buff guy? That's that guy right there. So he's gonna be taking care of us getting these mounted up because Uli's late. So Uli, you missed out. That's a no-go. So we'll get some beauty shots of mounting the tires, and then we'll go from there. Bam. I've never seen my truck balanced on 3 different jacks with no tires, but if it was ever stolen, I'd imagine it'd look like this afterwards. Antonio working his magic.
Yeah. Hey.
Is he gonna do that pop shit?
Not too much. A little bit here only.
There it is. Put your finger right there. You gotta put your finger right there.
You don't want to do it right there. You don't want to do it.
These tires look delicious. I gotta say, the thing that I really like about these new tires is right here. How much it bulges. So that means it's gonna protect the rim. No more scratches on the rim, or at least a lot less, because it's a little raised up. Plus, like, they have these little notches for the Thunderbolts that it actually is gonna protect it a little more. So we'll see that at Cleghorn when we go through that notch. You guys remember that V-notch where you're kind of sideways and getting close to the wall?
Woo! It's about 6 inches from hitting this f***ing rock.
Those tires will help with that a little bit. So good stuff. Quick suspension check in. Everything looks pretty good. I will say that my ball joints, the rubber's starting to crack a little bit, so it might be time to pop those out and get new ones. My fender lining keeps coming off, but that's expected. Brakes look good. I just did those a couple thousand miles ago. Spacers look good. Caliper looks good. All right, so Toyos are off, and Antonio's got the the mud terrains inside there, and he's getting those balanced, so they're all mounted. Now, the one thing that I read on the review with those tires is that they're a bitch to balance, so they're kind of difficult. But we'll see how he does. I trust Antonio. He's gonna do a good job, so we'll go check in with him, see how he's doing. Alright, so tires are mounted. Put my Toyos back in there. Look at these things. They look delicious. Antonio, you are the man.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Support your local businesses. Come check this guy out.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hell
sir.
yeah. He's going to hook you guys up because he hooks us up all the time.
Yes, sir.
Look at it. I got my decal. Put that right in the window. It's sick. Alright, I'm out of here. Alright, so we're all wrapped up in Antonio's tires. So pretty much what we're going to do is, while I'm at my job today, I'm going to road test the tires. We're going to see how do they sound on the road, get them up to high speeds, and just, you know, give some overall feedback on the street and initial impressions. And then from there, we'll check out at the end of the video and check it out. Pomona. Because Pomona. Because Pomona. Good stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the end of my workday, and then we'll check out from there. Thanks. All right, so 8 hours after, and I put maybe about 80 miles on these tires. Been driving around all day, and initial impressions is they're mud terrains, and you can expect the same things that you'd expect with other mud terrains. You feel pretty much every bump. It's definitely not a smooth ride. It's not that bad, to be honest, and they are pretty loud. I mean, I wouldn't say they're much louder than the Toyos that I had before, maybe a tad bit, but honestly, I play my music so darn loud I don't even notice anyways. But I did record a little bit of how it sounded, so I'll cut that in right here. So you can hear them, but it's honestly not that bad. And then, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, they're tires. We're just going to see how they do off-road, and we're going to air them down and abuse them, and then air them back up, and, you know, see how they last. So, as for the Toyos that I used to have, I'm going to keep them. So, I still have them right here, and I might use those for winters. I mean, honestly, if these tires suck after 10K, I might just put the Toyos back on, or I'll get new tires. I don't know. I'm going to keep these for now, just in case. And what I'm going to do is, because they have about 40% life, I did do about 30,000 miles, and I used a good amount of the tread, and I abused them pretty good. I'm going to give you guys a review on them. So expect the next video, or maybe the video after this. I don't know. Expect a video in the near future on these, and we'll do a review on them, and then we'll continue reviewing these Thunderers. So that's it on our initial impressions of the Thunderer MTs. Now we're going to be doing full reviews on these later, but for now, thanks for watching, guys. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and all that good stuff. All the links below. I'll also link the tires, so if you guys want to pick them up prematurely before I actually start reviewing them, then go ahead. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again next time.